Welcome to ChemREADY's guide on biocides and disinfectants. Are you struggling to choose the right solution for your industrial water treatment needs? In the next 2 minutes, we'll break down the key differences between biocides and disinfectants and why understanding them matters for choosing the right ChemREADY product. First, let's define our terms. Biocides are a broad category of chemicals that kill or control a wide range of harmful organisms, including bacteria, fungi, and algae. They play a crucial role in various environments, especially industrial wastewater and water treatment systems. A specialty here at ChemREADY. Disinfectants, on the other hand, are specific types of biocides primarily used to sanitize surfaces and equipment. You'll commonly find them in hospitals and food processing plants. Biocides come in a variety of forms at ChemREADY to tackle different challenges in industrial settings. Oxidizing biocides like chlorine are powerful against a broad spectrum of microbes in cooling towers and closed-loop systems. Non-oxidizing biocides can also be effective depending on specific water chemistry. Using the right biocide helps prevent biofouling, the buildup of organisms that can clog pipes, reduce heat transfer efficiency, and even lead to corrosion. This translates to improved system performance, reduced maintenance costs, and extended equipment lifespan, all critical benefits for your industrial operations. Disinfectants, while effective for the surface sanitation, wouldn't be suitable for large-scale industrial water treatment applications. Understanding the distinction between biocides and disinfectants empowers you to make informed choices for your industrial water treatment needs. At ChemREADY, we offer a comprehensive selection of high-performance biocides designed to address the specific needs of various industrial applications. For a comprehensive guide to biocides used in industrial water treatment, including types, selection tips, and best practices, visit our website at GetChemREADY.com. We have a wealth of information to help you choose the right biocide for your specific needs.
Thank you for spending time with us and our experts today. We're excited to continue this journey with you. For more water treatment insights and helpful resources, please visit us at GetChemREADY.com. And if you'd like a more personal connection, we're just a phone call away at 1-800-229-6801. We can't wait to connect with you again and explore your water projects together.